slid right, took off, and then the passenger ran into these woods right here.
Alright, get another unit down to you. We might have your suspect behind this barn just off to your left. Alright, go and hide behind those tanks right there so you got some cover there. Yeah, your suspect, he's laying down in the weeds. He's probably, from the corner of the barn, he's probably about, I don't know, 10 to 12 feet or so, just off to the west. Alright, suspect still laying down. Alright guys, where that tree is, he's right in front of that, laying down underneath the tree. About 5 feet in front of you, 5 feet in front of you. Alright, chopper to dispatch, they're making contact. And they got one trying to run from them, but they got him in custody. Chopper to ground.
715, go ahead.
Behind. There's somebody sitting on their back steps, possibly smoking a cigarette, but it's 1 o'clock in the morning. If you guys want to make contact with him and
Have a male here behind the residential people. They just in custody.
hey, from copy that.
You can stay on scene until we make sure we have everybody accounted for. Appreciate it.
That orders. Hey guys, great job. We're gonna head out of here. You guys take care.
Thank you, sir.